What have we got here? I finally decided to upgrade all my cables to a Spectraflex. So I got a package in from Spectraflex. 6 months ago I decided that I'm switching out to 10-foot cables, and I just bought the cheap Kierland brand. I'm not sure. They're like $20 a cable, I want to say. Maybe less, maybe $8 a cable, who knows. They actually didn't sound that bad, but I started having a little bit of problems with cables recently, and I found a coupon code for Spectraflex just by googling around a bit for it, and decided to pull the trigger on these. So my setup is I've got my guitar, and then there'll be one 10-foot cable running into my pedal board, and then from the out of the pedal board I go two ways into an A and B channel of my Ampeg amplifier. So I got Fatso-flex for the two cables that are going to run on the ground, and then one cable that's a normal standard Spectraflex to go from guitar to the floor. And the reason I did that is because the Fatso-flex can feel a little bit less flexible. It is very flexible, it's a great cable, but I just wanted standard, you know, thin cable between my guitar and the floor, and then Fatso-flex from the floor on. And also, all three of my cables are one straight, one angled. That's just how I do it. I probably could have gone two angled on my instrument cable, but I didn't think about it till later. I ordered at home and I wasn't in front of my board. I'm not really looking at things, so this is what this looks like. Oh, and if you want to take advantage of these discount codes, 10 October 19 for 10%, 20 Oct 19 for 20%. Look at that. Looks like you need to purchase $30 or more for the 10% deal, and then $60 or more for the 20% off deal. And yeah, offer is October 31st, 2019. So yeah, get that. And then, you know, it's pretty easy to spend 30 or 60 bucks. I spent about 118, and my discount was for 20%. So let's check out these cables. Yeah, they're not cheap. 3 cables for 120 bucks with a 20% discount, free shipping. They're like 50 bucks per cable. Alright. So this one is blue and black. It should be the Fatso-flex. It says up here, Fatso-flex. No instrument cable shaming allowed. I mean, other than calling it Fatso. These are made in USA. I've been using Spectraflex for, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years. More than 10. More than 15. And recently I gathered up a few different of my cables and a bandmate's cables and sent them back to Spectraflex. The CEO of the company actually responded to my email, so it's got to be a pretty small company, and replaced them free of charge. It cost me about 10 bucks to ship them to him, but like I said, at $50 or more per cable, it was worth it. So this one is a blue and white, and this one is just green. Well, green and black. And this one's blue and white and black, obviously. This one's green, so I kind of color coordinate them, because I notice right now all three of my cables are the same color, and sometimes it's hard to know which cable is which, and it becomes a mess. So I wanted to know, like, green could be, blue could be A, green could be B, or blue could be clean, green could be distorted. I guess I should green for clean and red for distorted or something. Or, yeah, it doesn't matter. Anyways, I'll be able to coordinate them a little bit like this. This is the regular Spectraflex original series. I think you can get custom labels on here if you want to spend some money and put your band name on there or something. I don't remember, but these are the cables, and these are badass. They're original braided cables, high quality, and like I said, lifetime guarantee, and they actually will replace them. If you wonder how they sound exactly like any other cable. I can't tell the difference other than the difference between these and a really lousy or broken cable. These sound better than a really lousy or broken cable. When my cables did break, I have to tell you, it was kind of an interesting phenomenon. It sounded more like tubes going out or something. The breaking didn't really sound like I thought it would. Which would, to me, I would think it would either work or not work or cut in and out, but didn't sound like that. That's all I remember. This was like 5 or 6 years ago that I sent them in. So, alright guys, that's my video. That's my Spectraflex order unboxing demo. Well, I guess I didn't demo anything. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're into watching really dorky videos like these. Bye now.